Jinhee Wilde, Why You Should Avoid Probate. Probate involves distributing a person's assets after their demise to beneficiaries. The process makes sure that your last will is legal and follows the instructions, keeping a tab over the tax payments, says Jinhee Wilde Attorney. If the legal document is comprehensive, your inheritance can smoothly get transferred to your loved ones hassle-free. The testament should mention what should go to whom. Simultaneously, if you have kids, you would want to choose a legal guardian to look after them when you two are no more. Besides, it includes the name of the executor who would perform the instructions in the will. If someone passes away without a will, the probate court refers to the state's intestate law to pass on your assets to the rightful successors. Anyway, probate can be a tiring and costly process that you would want to avoid. Some people may not agree with this. While both these scenarios are possible, things eventually boil down to the nature and size of your estate, says the process makes sure that your last will is legal and follows the instructions, keeping a tab over the tax payments, says Jinhee Wilde Attorney. Small estates may not need probate, but considerably larger ones may demand legal planning to keep this problem away. If you don't want any troubles after you are gone, you would like to make an organized inventory of your assets. Otherwise, some of the issues will be unavoidable. The Reasons to Avoid Probate by Jinhee Wilde. No immediate cash for your family. Your loved ones have to wait for weeks or even months to access your cash after your demise. Till then, they will need to bear all the bills, including your utility and funeral expenses. The family members can't even obtain cash from your bank savings during probation. From insurance to taxes and storage fees, they would have to pay for everything until the process of probate of a will concludes. If you leave behind a jobless spouse who has no personal funds, she can struggle to meet her daily expenses. Probate can be expensive. Jinhee Wilde points out that the court dealings can involve probate fees in this matter. The cost can further increase if the estate requires an intervention of the attorney. If you calculate the entire expenses, the legal fees can amount to thousands of dollars. For payment, the court can use your estate by selling a few assets, which you wanted to allot to your heirs. As a result, they eventually receive less than what they could have. The risk of privacy invasion. Since it is a court proceeding, all information about your estate, beneficiaries, liabilities, and representatives will feature in your probate court file, which can be easily accessible by anyone. The person can inquire about the file, and a clerk can give it to them without any inquiry. In some American states, the probate files can be available online also. One doesn't even need to visit the courthouse to view details. From this, it is evident that avoiding probate can be the best thing if you want to keep your financial status and household matters a secret. At the same time, it can also enable you to help your family enjoy your possessions hassle-free after your death. Thanks for watching.